The realm of AI is beyond that of just automation or helping craft emails or answer pub-quiz questions. It's about augmenting decision-making and unlocking new opportunities. We help businesses adopt process-first AI-powered strategies, whether it's through AI-powered analytics, predictive modeling, or intelligent automation. Our process-first approach involves understanding the basic building blocks of our clients' current operations through collaborative discovery and critical evaluation. Then, questioning the status quo and challenging assumptions around the application of technology helps us really understand and provide measurable, impactful, and futuristic outcomes. Ultimately, with AI, Searce is helping businesses move from reactive to proactive decision-making, increasing revenue streams and operational efficiency.
AI is really evolving a lot, and we looked at the AI and see where we can use AI to really drive value for our customers, and how do we really navigate the hype versus the reality. So we found two strong use cases which delivers really tangible value to our customers. One is around the submission ingestion. So the way it works is whenever broker sends submission to the insurance companies for them to ask for a quotation, there is a huge amount of manual process that goes on into extracting the data from PDF, Word file here and there, and then preparing a sheet. Then underwriter can take a look, which takes days or weeks depending on the size of the business. So we try to tackle that. So our one product, what it does is it really uses AI, generative AI, computer vision, and OCR, and all bunch of technologies within the cloud to really extract all those information, automate it, refine it, and put it in front of underwriters so that they can take a look and decide whether they want to write or not write the business. So really driving a huge amount of efficiency into the industry. And we have seen that across 3-4 customers already. It's going on.
Cost optimization isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about maximizing value. With Google Cloud and our future-focused innovation, we help companies modernize infrastructure, optimize cloud spending, and enhance efficiency. For example, whereas previously it was only most experienced and expensive employees that could digest a customer's annual report and any other publicly available information, and then consider what appropriate sales strategies would be aligned to those customers' goals. Now, this can be done by anyone using technologies like Google Gemini and Notebook LLM, actually resulting in outcomes that outweigh the actual experience of the individual. The other big area is where AI-powered automation streamlines manual repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on strategic work, which adds more value. Typical activity that would take place at the start of every financial year would be manual account research on new accounts and white space mapping. That'd be collecting websites and LinkedIn details of key stakeholders, what their revenue was, their annual reports, etc. Now, what used to take days now takes seconds. And that time is spent in actually engaging with customers and solving their problems, rather than just planning how to get to meet them in the first place.
So when it comes to the productivity and cost optimization, we look at AI and cloud technologies across our customer base as well as our internal operation. And we have been using generative AI to optimize our development and QA and product management activities internally. And we're using AI into our product to optimize the operational efficiency within the underwriting workflow, where reading the document, checking the sanctions, and preparing the risk, building a narrative, all those kind of mundane stuff that underwriters have to do, we're trying to automate. I would say we have done 30% so far. The game is to go to 70-80% of the operational efficiency.
AI enhances personalization, making interactions more relevant and engaging for the customers. With AI-driven chatbots and sentiment analysis, predictive analytics, they all improve customer support and engagement. Our clients in banking and retail, we help them use AI to offer tailored recommendations and faster issue resolution. So previously, the quality of your customer service that used to require lots of repeated training and different tiers of customer service agent from tier 1, who would log the call, to tier 3, who would solve the most complicated issues. Whereas now, all of the knowledge of your products and services, relevant contractual information such as SLAs or penalties, and all previous support tickets, they can all be proactively fed to even your most junior customer service agent with step-by-step guidance on what to do next, ultimately resulting in faster and more accurate resolution of the issue.
When it comes to the customer experience, I think AI has lots of potential. So far, what we have done is to leverage the AI to speed up the process and speed up the response time from underwriter to the brokers. So generally without AI, whenever broker sends them a quote, a request for a quotation, it takes weeks or a month or like days, depending on how busy they are. With AI, we have automated everything else, so they can go back within 90 seconds if they want to. So that's one area we have automated that has really improved the customer experience. Another area where we are looking to do is the policyholder side. How can we automate, whether it's a claim handling or anything else, which will really automate and speed up the claim handling and claim payment, which will go a long way for improving the customer experience.
AI can revolutionize how we approach problem solving and digital risk mitigation. AI-driven security solutions help detect and prevent fraud, cyber threats, and compliance issues in real time. Cloud-native security ensures businesses stay resilient against evolving digital threats. So here at Searce, we implement AI-powered anomaly detection to safeguard operations of our customers. For example, in the realm of predictive risk assessment, the traditional approach is to rely on historical data and expert judgment, which can be slow and may miss emerging threats. Versus in the AI-powered approach, the algorithms, they'll analyze vast data sets, including real-time data, and identify patterns and anomalies that indicate potential risks, enabling proactive mitigation. Or another area, fraud detection. The traditional approach has rule-based systems and manual review, which can be easily circumvented by sophisticated fraudsters. The AI-powered approach, the algorithms can analyze transaction data to identify patterns and anomalies that indicate potential fraud, even if those patterns are subtle or evolving. By leveraging AI, organizations can shift from a reactive to proactive approach to digital risk management, enabling them to identify and mitigate risks more effectively.
So when it comes to the digital risk, one problem that we're trying to solve is that every insurance company have got huge amount of data and they're all adopting cloud. The problem they have is how do they use the data to define and refine the analytics and insight so that they can select the better risk in a shorter period of time. We're trying to leverage AI and big data technologies to process a huge amount of data and then generate a actionable insight for the underwriter so that they can take a look at the risk and think, okay, is it something that fits into their appetite or is something that they want to write or not write? So that's another area where we're using technology a lot to give them a very concise and actionable insight by looking at the vast amount of data.